Hey guys, so I'm back with another unboxing video, and this time it's BTS's Memories of 2016. So I just picked this up a few hours ago, and yeah, I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. I'm really excited to unbox this because I saw like the different eras that they have inside, and like I'm just sad that the card is gonna be like a unit or group card because I really wanted these cards, but now I'm not sure if I should get like all 7 cards or just stick with like the one I have here. So yeah, well, let's just see what I get. So yeah, this is it from the outside, and then the back. So there's 4 discs, and I'm really excited to see all of them because like there's stuff like Agust D and like the Asia tour for On Stage, which I missed in Macau, and like basically everything that was missing in between the gaps. So I think BIGHIT did a really good job of this. And then here's the back, and it's good that they have English subtitles too. And the side, so the photo book, and then the CDs inside here, and then the side. So yeah, let's open it. Just a quick look on the outside before we go back into the unboxing. Just a picture up close, Young Forever, and then box. And then I'll do the CDs first. So BTS Moments, and them in the hot air balloon. It's so cute. See them up close. And then their names on it and what's in the CDs. And then the back is like the same as the CD jacket, the outbox. And then whoop, 4 CDs. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna take them out, but I guess I can actually. Nah, okay. I'll leave them inside. So this is the first CD. So you can see from far away there's like letters. This one says BTS and then 16. Yeah. First CD, second CD, third CD, and the fourth one. So I really like this color scheme actually. And then the photo book. Such a nice color, I really like this color. And it's a BTS, BSNT cover. In the back. So it's actually quite thick, like feels very promising. Green page. So yeah, second muster, music video, Young Forever section, Wings, +1 Tears, +1 Tears music video, and then Suga's mixtape, I'm really excited about. So yeah, 22920. I was barely into the fandom when this started, so I know nothing about it apart from the fact that you can get concert goods, which I bought. So yeah, this is quite new to me. It's me. Oh my god, Jimin. I sort of miss his orange hair. He looks really good in like basically every hair color. Orange hair and then silver for +1 Tears, and then pink for Spring Day. It's Jungkook. Looks so soft in the sweater. And Jin. Ratmon. We go back then when he had blonde hair. Oh, look at his dimple, so cute. And then Sugar. I love his mint green hair. And J-Hope. That casual wink. Oh, so cute. Low key like V Cook. But yeah, I'm pushing it, but V Cook, I ship. Oh, this was it. Yeah, okay, I remember now. Like the lucky wheel, whatever you call it. And they did dance to like EXID, I think. Oh, these photos bring back so many memories. Hence, Memories 2016, but like, still. So cute. Okay, fire music video. Yeah, this scene was so nice, so cool. Look at these HD photos, I love them. Oh my god. Sugar. Dude, Jin in this was so good too. I crushed Jimin in 333. I really like the scene when he was playing the video games in the empty pool. And Jungkook. Seriously, how does he look so good in everything? Oh my god, yes. Fire was so lit, like literally. Unintentional fun. Oh, and they're all so cute. Like low-key wondering what card I get. This selfie. I wanted to post it. The 94 line. Yoonmin. I really like Jungkook here. Actually, I like Jungkook in everything. Why am I like this? Oh, like the rare moments when Sugar was like acting cute. That's such a Jungkook thing to do. Oh wait, I didn't even realize this is the card. Okay, so I got the fire card. She's so cute. And then this is the back. So yeah, just put this, put it here. Wow. Okay. 95 line. Why is it just V outside? Oh my god, the irony mode. I was like, what is going on? Oh, this is so cute. Seriously, they look so soft. I love it. I love this concept. I love other concepts. I thought Young Forever was such a good end to their final era. So yeah, like the hot air balloon was like a sense of an ending, but like, you know, the end of the beginning, so like their next eras and stuff. So the Sugar was my favorite like, how do you say that, outfit in this series. It really suits him. Namjoon moment. Sorry Jin, but like, taekook. That is actually really big for a hot air balloon. This music video was so pretty. Like, I really liked it when the feathers start coming in. So cute. Mochi. Can I say that Sugar and Jin just look really good here? In this music video. I'm like, oh my god, never. KO'd. Jungkook, this Big Hit really knows how to kill us all. Jungkook stands. BTS stands. That's a haircut I haven't seen on Rap Mode for such a long time. And then R&B. I wonder where this is actually. Like, how did they find a place like this? Yes, the Wings short films. But I really like the idea of making those short films up to their album, because it's the first album which they all have their own self-produced song, so it's like really important. It's so soft here, oh my god. It reminds me of how V falls in the Run music video. And it links back to the ahaha part. Oh my god. Like, low-key wanna be his puppy. So like V can hug me. His song is so good. Oh yeah, and his Tom and like his lyrics, it's just like my heart. So cute in yellow. I got J-Hope. Still like a ball of sunshine. Good. I think I mentioned this already, but like Awake was my favorite song in the whole album. Yeah. Such a nicely written song, the melody was so nice, and just the emotions in there were like really, really deep. So Blood, Sweat and Tears album photograph. I'm dead. I feel like Jungkook really suited this concept. Jungkook and Jimin. Yes, thank you for making a big version of this photo. Thank you, Big Hit. Blue color contacts. This like outfit gives me like major Gucci vibes. Seokjin doing Seokjin again. Oh my god. Like, if Big Hit released posters like this one, I would buy like 10 copies of those. But bless whoever designed this photo book. And they know ships very well. Sugar and black hair. I'll never get over it. His photos were taken really nicely in this comeback. Jimin looks really good in this comeback. Aww. For real, all the G-Group shippers out there. Let's go into his music video. Oh yeah, this table moment, I was like, what is going on? Is there like a ritual happening? Oh my god. Yes. In this moment I was like, oh my god, Jimin, please send help. My soul feels attacked. For some reason it reminds me of how like V always does that to Jungkook nowadays. Like how he like tickles him underneath the chin. Jimin, that's illegal. Oh, Suga being so cute again. Like Jungkook learning English from Ratwon. Pardon? Oh yeah, V-Hope. Man, he looks so cute with the catapult. Oh, bless. Oh, give me a moment to calm down. Yep, okay, I'm cool. I think. Just okay, next page. Oh, big hit, why do you do this to me? God, please help. Oh, I cannot handle Kim Taehyung. Okay, thank you. If there's a third one, I would just die on the spot. Okay, Jimin. These photos are so nice. I've probably said that a lot of times, but this is the kind of book that you just want to keep taking out and looking over and over again. Leader name is so cute. Like, seriously, that Rat Monster is so underrated, but like he is the one who's most suited to be a leader in my opinion. He is so talented. And he suits his role so much. Like Jungkook, oh. If he was like looking this way, I'm gonna die on the spot again. Like, for the probably the 2000th time. And then, oh. Like, them offset looks good too as well. I don't understand. They look so, I don't know, but like first glance, they look like same position, same direction, same like similar looks. Just taekook. Oh my god. Yes, this. Womitsibo. That was such a great choreo. Like J-Hope needs to go and hit the stage. Like please, please. Big Hit, please let him go and hit the stage. And it's not every day you see Hobie in a tank top as well. Oh yes! Saving the best for last. I'm so glad they included this in the Memories of 2016. Because they didn't promote it like too much, but yeah. I'm just happy it's in here. Agust D. I'm gonna rewatch this music video after this. Oh yes. And that's the end of it. Thank you, ARMY. Oh, that's so sweet. This is when they got their day song. And then credits. And the end of it. So yeah. Here is everything. Let me get the cases off. Low-key doesn't fit. But yeah. And here's the cardigan. For you guys to see. Thank you guys for watching, and please give this video a like if you liked it, and please subscribe for more videos. I will upload more videos after this that I was supposed to upload before this, but I will put this up first because it's new. So yeah, see you guys later, bye!